Okay guys, here is our package from Vicki and her team at Creative Notions. This is our package for October 2019, and I am not wasting any time. I am digging right into this bad boy to see what we've got. I already know inside is going to be another bag. The sneak peek we got from her Facebook group showed all of the pumpkin themed bubble mailers sitting waiting to be mailed. So here we go. Nothing in there. Okay, Vicki always tries to do something themed for each month, and this month is no different. We've got some pumpkins for Halloween. Let's see what is inside. I think it's going to be something Halloween related. Ah, she did not disappoint. This month's bag has another bag inside of it with a little box of goodies. I love getting these drawstring bags in my Creative Notions package, so I don't know which one to do first. All right, let's open this one first. Okay, this is a box of goodies. It looks like it has a pattern in there too. We'll take a look. All right, so we've got a pattern. This looks like it's just a laser colored pattern printed on regular copy paper. It does have a template in here for some applique. So there you go. And then we've got a whole kit in here. Oh, okay, wait a second. I get it. All right, so I think this goes with this. I think this is a little kit to make this. So this is the pattern. These are all the items that you need. And you even have these super cute little spools of thread. How adorable is this? You use these for the hand quilting along the outside. That's really stinking cute. Okay, I don't want to set this aside. I want to put it back down in here so that it all stays together. So let me try to finagle this back into the box. Ah, there we go. Okay, I was going to set it aside, but I'd like to keep all those items together. So we'll even put the bow back on it. So that's item number 1. And then this thing feels pretty packed. So let's see what's in here. Ooh, I see a piece of candy. All right, here is our little pamphlet. It tells us the box value for everything we're going to open is $52.55. This box does cost me $30, I think $35. It costs $35, which includes my shipping and handling. So you're getting good value for your box. I'm not going to read through this because it's going to tell me everything that's in here. But usually just a sneak peek. There's been a recipe lately. Whatever. Set aside. Okay. Let's just dump all this stuff out. Woo! Yes. Okay. I don't even know where to start. Okay. First thing we've got is a recipe card. I feel like she did this in a previous box. I set the recipe card somewhere. I don't remember where it is. But I will probably I will set this aside again. You know, my stepdaughter actually collects recipe cards, so maybe I'll let her have this for her recipe box. Okay, we have a Kit Kat, little sweet treat, little trick or treat. It is pumpkin pie flavored. I will be eating this. Not right now, but I will eat this. We have a cute little pumpkin shaped, I don't know what this is called, a dowel. You hang it up like this, and then you can put a little something like draped over it, like a towel or a quilt block or something you want to display. And I don't think it comes apart. Oh, it does come apart. So you can put a quilt sleeve on the back of your mini quilt, and then you just push this back into there, and there you go. Of course, you could just drape it over. It's not very heavy. It's very lightweight, and I don't think you're going to be able to put anything super heavy on it, but the dowel is not very big. You're only going to be able to put something small on it anyway. That's cute. All right, we have a Zappy Dot every month. We get one of these. These are little magnetic things that we can use to change out a zipper pull thingy that we got before, and each month they're a different theme. This month I'm sure is going to be something pumpkin or Halloween related. And It is not. Oh, it is. There's a pumpkin down at the bottom. It says Dream. This is very cute. It is magnetic on the back, so you could just use these little buttons to display like on your fridge or some other metal surface, or you could just put it on the lanyard. I haven't been putting these on my lanyard because I am afraid that these will fall off. They're magnetic. They are strong magnets, but it's still magnetic. So I've just been keeping them and storing them in my sewing room. Displaying my sewing room, sorry. Okay, we've got a bucket o' buttons. Are those really little? Those are sequins. There's some sequins down in here. There's some beads. There's some buttons. And yeah, this is from 28 Lilac Lane. It is a pumpkin spice embellishment jar. So it's not just buttons. There are other embellishments in there. If we take a look at some of the items that they have in here, you've got some really tiny little embellishments and some buttons. So let's put those back in the jar. I am not a huge button fan. I don't collect them. I don't use them. I do like the way they look. So they're fun to display, but I just don't use them. Maybe because I primarily quilt. I don't know. All right. So there's that. Last up is the fabric. Let's untie this. We have 8 fat quarters according to the pamphlet. Of course, they're all going to be pumpkin themed. I don't know what line these are from. It doesn't say in the brochure, but let's take a look at each of these fat quarters. I'll move this stuff out of the way. This is fat quarter number 1. Got some pumpkins in there, some blue leaves, some green leaves, some brown leaves. Cute. This is fat quarter number 2. It's a pretty brown with some green leaves and some blue little dots on those branches, like flower buds. Oh, I have a selvage end here. I think a printed selvage end. Let me see if I can find out. Oh, no, it's not printed either. Ah, sorry, guys. Thought I might get lucky. But I will keep checking the selvage ends to see. Typically, they'll give you some coordinated fabric. And so if I have a salvage end on one, I'll probably have, it'll probably be the collection for all of them. Let me just check this one really quick. Oh, here we go. This is Thankful by Amanda Murphy for Benartix. And I'm going to assume, I will check all of the selvages, but I will assume that these are all the same line. This is fat quarter number 3. Let's open it up and take a look, see if we've got a selvage. We do not have a readable selvage, but that is fat quarter number 3. This is fat quarter number 4. Take a look and see if we've got the special salvage. We do. And this is also from Thankful by Amanda Murphy for Benartix. So I'm going to keep thinking that all of them are from the same line because they do look like they coordinate together. That's fat quarter number 4. This is fat quarter number 5. Do I have the special salvage? I do. And again, you can see it is the same line. Let's fold this back up. There we go. This is the next fat quarter. This is really pretty. I like that. That could be fussy cut into something very nice. Ooh, look at this. This one's probably my favorite print out of the entire box. Do not have a readable salvage, but that's okay because we know that these are all from the same line, or at least we can be reasonably confident that they are. Next up is this pretty green. This is a great blender and no readable salvage, but that is what the print looks like. There we go. And the last fat quarter in the package is this orange with pumpkins on it. And I do not have a readable salvage, but again, that is okay because I am reasonably confident these are all coming from the same line. All right, that is my October 2019 Creative Notions package. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this month's box. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next video.